Good morning, students. Today I will show you practically this chapter. Okay, student? Our chapter name GUI operating system. Okay, now today I will tell you practically that how your GUI operating system works. Now when you switch on the computer, how you will switch on the computer? First of all, you have to switch on your UPS. First, see this. When you switch on the computer, this screen will come on your screen. This is circle is going on, and this is called booting. When the computer is loaded, when you switch on the computer, this is called booting of the computer. Okay, children? Now, after booting, the first screen which comes on the screen, this is called your desktop. Here, this is the taskbar at the below of your desktop, and these are the icons. Okay, these are the icons of different. Here is your my computer, then this is your recycle bin, then Chromium, Chrome, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, softwares icons are there, file icon are there. So icons are of different file folders and software, and this is the taskbar. Here is your start button, and this is your notification bar, and here date and time is there. So this is the taskbar. How will you open any icon? In the last class I have told you to open any icon, you just have to do what? This is your mouse pointer arrow sign. So just move your mouse pointer on the icon you want to open it and make a double click on it. Okay, then see this circle is going on. That means this now Word will open for you on the computer. Okay, children, and now you can see this is the close button, and with the close button we can now close your Word. Okay. Now, children, I will tell you how to change the desktop background. From the mouse pointer, you just right click. Okay, when you right click, a pop-up menu will come on the screen, and here on the screen at last it is written here personalize. On the personalize menu you will just click it on, a menu will appear on the screen, and here the background is selected. From here you can select any picture that like I am selecting this picture. Okay, and now you can see that it will be your background is changed. Here there is another option here, choose to fit. That means there are many options here. You can see it, fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, span. That means it will fill the whole screen with this picture, or fit the picture to the screen, or stretch the picture. Tile means it will give you in same picture in 3 columns. Okay. Center, that means the picture will be put in the center of the screen. So I am choosing the fill option, and you can see that the screen picture is now changed. The second thing, children, again you just have to do the right click, and then you can see this pop-up menu will appear on the screen. Again you choose the personalize option, and here You can write your screensaver. Screensaver, then your screensaver, this screensaver window will appear on the screen, and from here you can choose the none is written here, and now you can, from here there are many options: 3D text, blank, bubbles, Google Photos, screensaver, and many more. You can choose one thing, like I am selecting bubbles. Okay, so when the computer will be idle for second, अगर आप कंप्यूटर पे कोई वर्क नहीं कर रहे और थोड़ी देर के लिए उसको छोड़ दे रहे हैं, तो ये जो स्क्रीन सेवर है जो आपके स्क्रीन को सेव करता है वो अपने आप आ जाएगा और कोई भी बटन को टच करने से वो चला जाएगा. नाउ यू कैन सी इट दैट आई हैव सेलेक्टेड दीज बबल्स. सी, these bubbles are coming on the screen. You can see the preview also. You can click the preview button and now you can see the bubbles on the screen, and that when you can see that I am touching the board, the bubbles are gone. And from here you can select wait for 1 minute. I am selected, and then OK button I have clicked, and when you will wait, you will not touch the screen for for 1 minute. The bubbles will appear on the screen. Now children, I have told you about the screensaver, and then there are two modes. When you, this is the, see here, from here start button you will get here, this is the power mode. From the power mode here you can see there are three options: sleep, shutdown and start. Sleep means this computer will just close all the programs, but it will not close it all. जैसे this option will reduces the power used but does not turn off the computer. Okay, ये पूरी तरह से कंप्यूटर को बंद नहीं करेगा लेकिन उसके पावर को कम कर देगा. And shutdown option will completely close all the programs and shut down the computers, close the computer. And restart button, it will close all the programs, shut down the window, and again it will start your computer. Okay, these are the different power modes of the computer. When you will not shut down the computer, there are two modes: normal modes and safe modes. In this mode, see here, I have not touched the computer, the screensaver, these bubbles are started coming. So you can see also in the chapter that there are normal mode and safe mode. If you will not shut down the computer properly, this screen will come on the computer and it will ask you that start the Windows normally or okay, start the Windows normally option or safe mode. So when you will click on the safe mode option, it will check the computer error and then start the computer, load the computer. And when you will just click on the start Windows normally, then window will start the loading normally without checking for errors. So you should switch on. How you will switch on the computer? First you switch on the power button, then you switch on the UPS, and then you switch on the CPU button. This is the CPU box. Switch on the CPU button and then switch on the computer, and then your computer will be loaded. I have shown you previously. Okay children, this is your chapter, and now your chapter is completed. Thank you children.